So you can prepare the ground for your practice in quiet meditation. You can motivate yourself. You can deepen your understanding about certain topics, such as compassion, understanding of karma, understanding of the true nature of reality and such. It's a preparation. Preparation for what? For the actual practice, which might be found in the daily life. When you drive, when you deal with computers, when you cook, whatever you are doing, dealing with situation or people, there is the true practice. There you can see how much you progress. So thinking about removing oneself from the society with the vague idea of a spiritual progress might, after all, not be the best choice.
Torej, s tiho motivacijo, s tiho meditacijo lahko pripravimo temelje za svojo prakso. Na ta način lahko spostavimo svojo motivacijo, poglobimo svoje razumevanje določenih tem, kot so sočutje, karma, prava narava resničnosti. Toda vse to je priprava na pravo prakso v vsakdanjem življenju, ko naprimer vozimo, se ukvarjamo z računalnikom, kuhamo, počnemo karkoli že, se ukvarjamo z različnimi situacijami ali ljudmi. To je prava praksa. V teh takšnih situacijah vidimo, koliko smo napredovali. In če torej razmišljanje o tem, da bi obrnili hrbet družbi z neko približno mislijo o duhovnem napredku v glavi, mogoče ni prava odločitev.
Of course, when we have a week free or a month free and we can engage into a retreat, meditation retreat, a practice retreat, that is beneficial because it's not like separating us forever from the society. It's to give us some time to prepare the minds to be confronted later on in a better way with the society. So it's not about this momentary retreat that I'm talking about. It's the idea that we can better walk a spiritual path by stepping out of the society.
Seveda, če imamo prost teden ali mesec, se lahko posvetimo meditaciji, se lahko posvetimo retritu, umiku, meditacijskemu umiku ali praksi, kar je vsekakor koristno, saj nas ne ločuje zavedno od družbe, temveč pripravi naš da se pozneje bolje znajdemo v družbi. Torej, ne govorim o teh kratkih umikih, temveč o predstavi, da bomo bolje hodili po duhovni poti, če bomo obrnili hrbet družbi.
Years ago I was talking with a friend of mine and I was explaining him how much I would like to have more time to make some retreats, to go somewhere in the mountain, in peaceful environment and make more retreats, because since years I didn't find much of this time. And I liked very much his answer. He said, what are you complaining about? You would like to go somewhere else to make a retreat, but with all the activity you are doing on a daily basis, it is a type of retreat. It is a compassion retreat.
Pred leti sem se pogovarjal s svojim prijateljem in mu pojasnjeval, kako si želim imeti več časa za umik, da bi šel nekam v gore, nekam, kjer je več miru in se posvetil meditaciji, praksi. Pa mi ta prijatelj odvrnil, zakaj se pritožuješ? Glede na to, koliko si dejaven, glede na to, kaj vse počneš vsak dan, imaš nenehno umik v sočutju, umik iz sočutja.
Along the way, a very important point to understand is the understanding of karma, the understanding of the law of cause and effect. Without a good understanding of the law of cause and effect, there are many other things we cannot understand. So this is a topic that we have to deepen, to study, and again to study it from an authentic point of view. Karma is a word that progressively is entering the common discussions. You hear people in the street, that's his karma, that's my karma. Not necessarily well understanding what it means. Sometimes we use karma also as an excuse. Well, that's my karma, what can I do? But this is a misunderstanding of the karma. Remember that in Buddhism there is no God. There is no higher power deciding what we have to go through or not. Karma is not created by an outer being. Karma is created by our own mind.
Še ena zelo pomembna tema, ki jo moramo razumeti, je karma. Zelo pomembno je razumevanje karme, zakona vzroka in posledice. Brez tega razumevanja ne bomo razumeli veliko drugih stvari. V to temo se moramo poglobiti, moramo jo proučevati in sicer iz pravega zornega kota. Karma je namreč beseda, ki jo danes srečamo na vsakem koraku. Na ulici slišimo ljudi, ki pravijo, ja, takšna je bila karma, to je moja karma. Vendar ti ljudje te besede ne razumejo. Včasih jo uporabljajo kot izgovor. Ja, moja karma, to je moja karma, ne morem nič storiti. To je napačno razumevanje karme. Ne smemo pozabiti, da v budizmu ne poznamo Boga, nimamo Boga, da ni nobene višje sile, ki bi odločala, kaj moramo početi in česa ne smemo. Karme ne ustvarja neko drugo bitje, temveč jo ustvarja naš lasten um.